Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you another recipe. This is my very special vegan mac and ease. You heard me? Mac and ease. Now this recipe is for those of you who cannot eat dairy products but you love cheese and wish that you have an alternative. If you are like me, who knows you'll get a reaction from eating cheese, but take a few allergy pills and have it anyway, then this recipe is definitely for you. It is very easy to make and you can add your own veggies to make it extra special. Now, let's begin. First, we're going to start with the ingredients for the ease sauce. You'll need 2 Irish potatoes, 1 sweet potato, 2 carrots, half cup water, and use the water from which you used to boil the potatoes. Half cup nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoon nutritional yeast in addition to the quarter cup, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon onion powder, and half teaspoon garlic powder. However, I do not use powdered seasonings, so I use half of a medium onion finely chopped and 1 clove of garlic finely chopped. Now wash and scrub your potatoes and your carrots, and you can peel them if you want to. Then you chop them in pieces and boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let them rest for 5 minutes after they're boiled, and then with a splatted spoon, that's the one with the holes, you're going to transfer your veggies to the blender. You're going to add half cup of the same water that the potatoes were boiled in, and then you're going to pulse to mix. Now I use the NutriBullet, so once it starts, it blends everything smoothly. Then add all the other ingredients and blend until smooth and creamy. This is the texture and consistency that you want. You may wonder if it really tastes like cheese, and the answer is yes. The yeast gives it that cheesy flavor. You can add smoked paprika if you want a smoky flavor, and also you can add some cayenne pepper for a spicier flavor. You choose. The ease sauce can be used as a substitute for mac and cheese, pizza, as well as dip for your tortilla chips. Use your imagination and make this ease sauce work for you. This can be stored in an airtight container in the bottom of your fridge for about 4 to 5 days, or it can be frozen for about 2 weeks. Let's continue with our mac and ease recipe. For the rest of the recipe, you will need half of 3 medium sweet peppers, red, yellow, and green, a small head of broccoli, and 1 pack Elba macaroni pasta. You can add other veggies that are to your liking. Next, you're going to wash and slice sweet peppers into strips. Then, cut broccoli florets in smaller pieces. In a medium saucepan or pot, put 2.5 cups of water to boil with a teaspoon of salt. When the water begins to boil, add pasta and cook al dente, or as directed on package. In a medium fry pan or wok, add 1 tablespoon oil and heat on medium flame. When the oil is hot, add veggies and stir fry. Add a pinch of salt with other herbs. As I said before, I do not use powdered seasonings, so I use herbs such as parsley flakes, oregano, Italian season, marjoram, and chili flakes. Keep stirring for about 7 to 8 minutes or until broccoli is al dente. After the pasta is cooked, drain and set aside. Then add the stir-fried veggies to the mix and mix until evenly distributed. Now add your ease sauce and mix until evenly distributed. Voila! Here we have my famous vegan mac and ease. Bon appetit!